Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today, wearing diving into pure elegance with golden nail art designs, idea that are perfect for any occasion, from wedding to parties or just when you want your nails to shine bright like gold. First up, the classic golden glitter French tips. Start with a nude or soft pink base. Once dry, add a shimmering gold glitter polish to the tips for that timeless and classy finishes. Simple, elegant tips and final results. Next, elevate your look with royal golden nails with rhinestones, Asians use metallic gold polish as your base and place rhinestones at the base or tips of the nail. This design screams royalty and is perfect for wedding or festival events. Wants the realistic glam? Try gold chromes nails. Use a gold chromes powder over black or nude gel polish and seal with a glossy top coat. The mirror finishes gives your nails a bold head turning shine. Get artistry with gold foil and flower nail art. Apply a pastel base, then press gold foil into the nails while slightly tacky. Add tiny flower stickers or hand pointed flowers for a soft and romantic vibes. I hope you like this video and all beautiful designs ideas for nail artistry. And go for a guardian's glam with gold armor nails. Blend gold polish from the tips into a nude or pink base. Using a sponge, add a matte or glossy top coat for your dessert finishes. So, which golden nail art designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comment. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trending nail inspiration every day. Turn on the bell so you never miss a sparkle. Until next time, stay golden and keep selling those nails. Bye.